Good everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Dell MSA20 single monitor arm to unbox. Now I got this one to use with my Dell ultra-wide monitor so that I have a lot more flexibility and range of motion on my desk because I move it around a lot. So this one is compatible with the vast majority of Dell monitors, and it is also compatible with VESA mount systems, although it does have a quick mount system for compatible Dell monitors, which I've used it before, is really awesome. It makes life so much easier. That quick mount system, being able to just clip the monitor on and off and you don't have to worry about screws or anything. It's awesome. So come with me, let's unbox this monitor arm, see what comes in the box, what it all looks like, and so on. In the top of the box here, we have our instruction manual on how to set it up, and then of course our Allen key as well. Underneath that and this padding are all of our bits and bobs. So this monitor arm can be attached through a clamp system. So this piece is the top section of the desk clamp. So this runs down the back of your desk or whatever it is you're clamping onto. This piece here, foam sits on top, and then the arm is going to slot onto that round bit there. This piece is the VESA mounting plate to go on the back of your monitor. If you have a VESA mount compatible monitor, that is not also a Dell quick mount compatible monitor. So you don't need to use this plate at all if your monitor is compatible with that Dell quick mount. We've also got a bunch of screws and risers for the VESA mounting. We have our clamp. So this one works with the rest of the desk clamp systems. So we can put this on. That's just going to slot over those Allen screws, just like that. And then we would tighten them if this is going to give us enough height to go over our desk. If your desk is particularly thick, you can actually undo these two Allen screws and move them down to these holes, and that lets you get this down even lower, so you've got more clearance for a thicker desk. And of course this piece, you're just screwing that up in order to tighten it onto your desk so it can't move around. That's the main pieces involved in the desk clamp itself. Next up in the box, we have our arm components. This first one, this is the bottom of our arm. So this piece here goes over this round section, and it's going to lock onto there for us. And then this piece here is the upper section of our arm. And then this is our mounting system for the back of our monitor. So this is the quick mount already on here. Those teeth just lock into the grooves on a compatible Dell quick mount monitor. Or of course you can screw a VESA bracket onto the arm here as well. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Dell MSA20 single monitor arm. So we've got both the sections of the arm itself, the desk clamp, and the VESA adapter plate, along with the screws that are required for it. So that's it, and it's a relatively simple setup. So I am going to do a separate video on the actual setup process. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these Dell MSA20 single monitor arms, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description, and of course give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Have an awesome day guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.